Bakery in Grange. My name is Maria. We are an ethnic bakery and specialty store that has been around for 14 years. Today we are going to be making burek. For those of you that do not know what burek is, it is savory hand-stretched phyllo dough with various fillings. Today our master chef, Bojan Aleksic, will be showing you how to make burek.
Hello everyone, my name is Bojan Aleksic. I have been doing this for 25 years. Let's get started.
To make the phyllo dough, you will need flour, salt, and water. Add the ingredients to the mixing bowl and set the speed to medium. Once the dough is ready, place it on the table. Cut the dough into larger, even sections. After the dough is cut, separate into smaller pieces. Now it is ready to be proofed. Once the dough has proofed, spread the vegetable shortening evenly to keep the dough moist. Now we are ready to stretch out the phyllo dough.
Now we are going to be taking our organic spinach, cutting it up, slices need to be pretty thin. You don't want any big pieces in there. You want really small strands. Overlapping the spinach also helps. As you cut it once, cut it again. Cutting smaller strands works best for the burek. You don't want any big pieces of spinach in there. Going to place the spinach into the larger mixing bowl. And add your feta cheese. We love to use premium Greek feta cheese. We find that it works best in our burek. Now, when you're mixing this up, you don't want to be pressing too hard with the spoons to bruise the spinach. You want everything to keep its shape and consistency. Once everything is mixed together, make sure to sprinkle some salt inside. Once the dough has proofed for 30 minutes, you are ready to stretch it out and add your fillings. Burek can be filled with various fillings such as feta cheese, ground beef, spinach and feta, mushroom, potato, or sweet fillings. We normally stretch out our phyllo dough to make 4 layers and add the fillings in between each layer. You need to make sure that the phyllo dough has enough oil and shortening in order for it to stretch out as thin as possible. You want it to be thinner than pizza dough. As the dough is being stretched out, you need to make sure that you have enough oil in between to make it nice and crispy. When you're done with 1 layer of phyllo dough, you put it in the middle and then wrap it with the next layer of phyllo dough that you have stretched out, as Master Chef Bojan has been doing. Create your perfect circle, and we're ready to put it in the pan to bake. Make sure that you put enough oil and shortening on the bottom so it does not stick. We're ready to go. You will need to put your oven on 375 degrees and set the timer to 35 to 40 minutes. Make sure that once time is up, that the burek is golden brown on the bottom, just as it is on the top before you take it out. There you have it. If you're feeling adventurous, try it out at home or pay us a visit to indulge in a slice of burek for breakfast or lunch 6 days a week. We bake burek by the hour with feta cheese and ground beef, pies with mushroom, potato, spinach and feta, as well as feta cheese. A customer favorite is also pairing the burek with our homemade kefir and sour milk. Have a sweet tooth? We have a solution. We have a wide variety of European made-from-scratch desserts, cookies, and cakes. We hope to see you soon, and remember to shop local. We're located at 541 South LaGrange Road, LaGrange, Illinois, 60525. We're open 6 days a week, Tuesday through Sunday, 8 to 4 weekdays, 8 to 3 Saturday, and 8 to 2 Sundays.